Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today is the real beginning of the rebuild of the Kawasaki KM90. We all know that taking things apart is so much easier than putting them back together. Let's see how well I get on and what parts I have left over when I've finished. Wish me luck, as they say. Since last time, I have fitted all the bearings in the case halves and pushed the crankshaft into the left side. This bar sticking out of the crank is 8mm, which is the same as the gap between the two crankshaft halves. It is there to give support when the crank was pushed into the case and later when I push the other half of the case on. Let's get on with it. The next job I need to do is to refit the gearbox. It is still in its clusters from when I removed it, and I hope to put it back in as easily as it came out. Before I do anything, I need to refit the ski that I made to support the case during the strip down. As you can see, I've added a couple of risers like the ones I made for the other side. Oops. The manual says to put a lump of grease on the end of the drive shaft to hold the little ball bearing in place. It then says to install the three shafts together, which, thanks to an elastic band, should be easy. Now I have to put the kickstarter gear and shaft into place. Next, I need to add a thin layer of sealant. This is red Hylomar, which is semi-hardening. Now I can fit the right case half and screw it down. I have bought all new screws as many were rusted or otherwise damaged. I also printed off a parts diagram that shows what size screws go in which hole. There you go. With the help of my new press, the two halves are now one. Tea. Do you like my biker stuff mug? Can I ask, if you like what you see here on Biker Stuff, please click on my face in the corner. Then, if you ring my bell, you will get notifications when I upload more great videos like this one. I've done a few things now. I have put the new case screws in and tightened them. I've refitted this bearing stopper, the shift drum positioning plate and detent arm with its spring. That wasn't easy, but it's on there now. Next, I'll fit the gear selector shaft, which pushes through to the other side, then locks into the drum assembly. I'll smear a little pre-assembly lube on the shaft before I slide it in to help it go in easier. That's it for this video. In the next one, I will fit the magneto and flywheel, the clutch cover and oil pump. I still have to strip and clean the carb and refit it, which I may do on a separate video. We'll have to see how I get on. Thanks for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. I hope you liked that. I have selected another video for you here, or you can look at an entire playlist. If you want to subscribe, click here.